Imagine you're drowning in debt, bills piling up like never before. You've tried saving, but it just doesn't stick. You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing their finances. But what if there was a way to take control of your money, to make it work for you, not the other way around? That's where YNAB comes in. It's a budgeting tool that's been helping people achieve financial freedom for years. But how do you actually use it? Let's dive in. Before we start, it's important to understand the YNAB method. It's based on 4 simple rules. Give every dollar a job. This means you assign a purpose to every dollar you earn. Whether it's for groceries, rent, or entertainment, every dollar needs a job. Budget for expenses before they happen. This helps you avoid overspending and ensures you have the money you need when bills come due. Roll over unbudgeted money. If you have money left over at the end of the month, you can roll it over to the next month. This helps you build an emergency fund and achieve long-term financial goals. Track your spending. YNAB makes it easy to track your spending and see where your money is going. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Now that you understand the basics, let's get started creating your YNAB budget. Create a budget category for every expense. This could include things like rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and entertainment. Assign dollars to each category. Based on your income and expenses, assign a certain amount of money to each category. Track your spending. As you spend money, update your budget to reflect your actual expenses. Adjust your budget as needed. If you find that you're overspending in one category, you can adjust your budget to allocate more money to that category and less to another. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of YNAB. Set realistic goals. Don't try to change your spending habits overnight. Set small, achievable goals and gradually work towards them. Be patient. It takes time to get used to YNAB and see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Use YNAB's features. YNAB has a lot of features that can help you manage your finances, such as budgeting reports, goal tracking, and debt management tools. YNAB is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. By following the 4 rules and using the tips we've discussed, you can create a budget that works for you and your lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.